Now, the next question is, a man spends rupees 1050 for 5 shirts. What is the cost? For each shirt? Did you understand the question? A man is spending 1050 rupees for 5 shirts. So you have to tell me what is the cost of each shirt. So what am I going to do here? I am going to do the division. So 1050 divided by 5. 5 into 2 is 10. So now this 5 will come down. 5 into 1 is 5. Now this 0 will come down, 0. Yes. So what is the cost of each shirt, children? The cost of each shirt is rupees 210 each. Got it? Yes. Shall we do the next sum? Here is your next question. Your next sum says, divide the product of 14 and 12 by 8. Okay. So here we have to do 2 solutions. So first they are asking me to find the product of 14 and 12, and then I have to do the division. So first I will multiply and second I will divide. Okay. So the first one is the product. So the product is 14 into 12. Right. So how I will divide? 4 into 2 is 8, 1 into 2 is 2. 4 into 1 is 4, 1 into 1 is 1. So 8, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 1. Right. So my product is 168. So 168 you have to divide by 8. So 8 twos are 16. 8. 8 into 1 is 8. So my answer is 21. Did you understand, children? Shall we move to the next sum? Okay. So here is my next question. My next question says, what is the missing number? Okay. And my question is 45 divided by 5 is equals to something less than 10. Okay. And my options are A 6, option B is 4, option C is 9, and option D is 1. So try to understand the question, children. They are telling 45 divided by 5 is something which is less than 10. Okay. So let us do the division. 45 divided by 5. So we know that 5 into 9 is 45. Right. So my answer should be 9. And 9 is less than 10. 9 is how much less than 10? So 10 minus 9 is equals to 1. So which means that the answer is 1 less than 10. Where can you see 1 here? It is here. Option D. Right. So option D is my right answer. Understood? Here is your next question. Your next question says, if this stands for 24, what is the value of this? Okay, and your options are 12, option B 6, option C 8, and option D 10. So, if the value of 3 smiley is 24, what is the value of 1 smiley? We'll work out and see. So, 24 divided by 3. So, 3 into 8 is 24. Right. So, my answer is 8. So, value of 1 smiley is 8. Clear? Shall we move to the next sum? Okay. So, here is my next question. My next sum says, if the divisor is 8, quotient is 42, and the remainder is 5, what is the dividend? Okay, so it is a purely the sum which we will be doing based on the equation which we have learned, right? And what is the equation? If your dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So my divisor is 8, my quotient is 42, and my remainder is 5. So 42 into 8. So 8 2s are 16, 4 8s are 32 plus 1, 33. So 336 plus 5, which is equals to 341. So this is my dividend. Clear? Understood? So it is just the formula which we have learned earlier. We just have to apply the formula and get the answer. Clear? So coming to the next question. Your next question says, if dividend is 62, divisor is 3, what will be Q and R, which is quotient and the remainder. So in this question, they have given us the dividend and the divisor. So we will do directly the division. 62 divided by 3. So 3 into 2 is 6, 2. So is it possible for us? How many times it will go? It will not go, right? So this will remain as my. So my quotient is 20 and my remainder is 2. If we want to cross check, how we will cross check? So my dividend should be 62, right? So divisor is 3. So 3 into 20 plus my remainder is 2, which is equals to 60 plus 2, which is 62. So the question given and the answer got is the same. So this will be my answer. Clear, children? I hope you would have enjoyed doing the sums with me.